For software identification of first-order transfer function parameters, you need to have a good software. And we have the best. It is PITOPS. Hi, Christopher here with PiControl Solutions. Today I will show you how to identify first-order transfer function parameters using our PITOPS software. We have already seen in this channel which parameters the first-order transfer function has and how to visually identify them. If you didn't watch this video, make sure to follow the link in the top right corner to watch it first. Even though we visually identified parameters, we need to understand that it is sometimes not that simple to identify them as accurate and precise enough to be used in real processes. So there is a need for more advanced ways to identify them. Today we will see how it's done in our system identification software. We will first use our SIMCET software to simulate a few step tests of the first order process and then import process data to PITOPS as it would be done in the control room. Now let's make a few different steps. What we see here at the first glance is that the process gain is positive, because both changes in manipulated and controlled variable go in the same directions. Let's now save the data and import it to PITOPS. Once loaded, PITOPS will show the trends for every data imported. With the controlled variable at the top, there's also setpoint data in the middle and manipulated variable at the bottom. As we made step tests in manual mode, setpoint has no meaning, therefore we can remove it from the main window. Let's separate the data and choose the model. We have already identified the process gain is positive and we know this is the first order. We can see what parameters will software identify for this problem, and those are already known: process gain, dead time or delay, and tau or time constant. Let's start the identification. And we see that the software made it very quickly. We can now see the trend and the identify model correlates almost perfectly. Let's see how it correlates with the rest of the data and read out the parameter values. The dead time or delay of 10.63 seconds, process gain of 1, and time constant of 30.58 seconds. PITOPS is a software for identifying process dynamics using plain data, and it's the only software that performs truly closed-loop system identification with the secondary PID controllers in auto or even cascade mode. Check out our webpage for more info. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it. Also subscribe for more process control videos. This is Christopher with PiControl Solutions.